Carpet cleaning in Alpharetta, Georgia. Trying to find a carpet cleaning business that cares about your health and well-being as much as they care about clean carpets? Look no further than Go Carpet Cleaning. We focus on office and residential carpet cleaning, using only natural, environmentally friendly solutions that are 100% safe for your family and pets. Our team is committed to supplying quality service that will leave your carpets looking and smelling fresh and brand new. Contact us today for a complimentary quote. For carpet cleaning in Alpharetta, contact Go Carpet Cleaning. About Go Carpet Cleaning in Atlanta. Go Carpet Cleaning is one of the leading carpet cleaning companies in Atlanta. Specializing in office and residential carpets, area rugs, and upholstery services, we offer natural solutions to fight any stain, even hard ones. When using our environmentally friendly products, leave your house smelling fresh with a no chemical odor or residue left for you and pets. About our carpet cleaning services in Atlanta. Go Carpet Cleaning has actually been cleaning up carpets in houses throughout Atlanta, bringing years of experience to every job and a consistent commitment to client service. We want to make sure that our customers are 100% satisfied with the carpet cleaning solutions that we provide, and we ensure satisfaction on every job. Carpet cleaners who stand apart. We're amongst the highest rated carpet cleansing business in the metro Atlanta region, and we're dedicated to eliminating stains and germs with safe and eco-friendly services. Whether you require office or residential carpet cleaning services, our team has certainly got your back. Our devotion is unmatched by any other business, due to the fact that not only do we offer quality work on time, every appointment, but also provide exceptional customer care that will ensure all of our clients' requirements are fulfilled each step of the process. When you call our carpet cleaning service, our knowledgeable professionals are skilled cleaners in hot water extraction, steam cleaning, as a cleaning method which gets rid of stains by completely cleaning the fibers of your carpet, in a non-hazardous method without any extreme chemicals. Envision a place where you can feel the warmth, see natural light, and breathe easy. We offer carpet cleaning that will bring your office or home back to life, and we'll offer friendly service with a smile. The very best part? We work hard, and we utilize effective steam cleansing tools, such that we reach deep into the fibers of your carpet, and into every nook and cranny, so we can provide a complete, comprehensive, carpet cleaning service. We take special care for two main reasons. We want to stop mold from taking hold. We also ensure there's not excessive water left behind when we're done cleaning, because excessive water left behind in your carpet can be the perfect place to start spreading disease, and for more germs, and you can end up right back where you started. This is something that a lot of other carpet companies in Atlanta, Georgia, overlook, and it's something that makes Go Carpet Cleaning different for Atlanta homeowners. Our carpet cleaning services in Atlanta are extensive and safe, and we work to guarantee our customers are pleased before we leave any job. Upholstery cleaning services and more. We have excellent news. We do more than carpet cleaning. Check out our additional services. Carpet cleaning, cleaning traffic patterns, upholstery cleaning, air duct cleaning, rug cleaning, pet stains, and odors cleaning, commercial services. Reserve Carpet Cleaning Atlanta today. Call us for a totally free consultation, and to discuss our cost-effective prices on carpet cleaning in Atlanta, or the surrounding locations, including Alpharetta, and more. When you set up an appointment for our cleaning services throughout Atlanta, we'll offer you an arrival window of about 2 hours, and we'll call you to confirm, before we reach your home or business. To learn more about our carpet cleaning services in Alpharetta, please visit our website, gocarpetcleaningatlanta.com, or call us today at 678-818-5698.